Opening sound, dry wind, beep, silence. Beep. Compact, muscular, fur like a storm cloud on top, midnight underneath. She doesn't do scared, she does curious. Beep. There it is again, a tiny broken sound. She sniffs the air, burnt cinnamon, cold electricity. She follows it, over a termite mound. Under a thorny acacia. Past a very annoyed puff adder. Beep, beep. And there, half buried in the mound like a fossil from the future, is a spaceship. Not a shiny one. No, this ship is rusty. Its hull is pockmarked with meteor bites. A broken hatch hangs open like a yawn. Sunbeams slice through the holes, lighting up dust that smells like old lightning. Mellivora doesn't hesitate, she digs. Claws like tiny pickaxes. Dirt flies. Metal groans. Inside, darkness, then click, red lights. Speaker cracks.
I told you I'd find a way in.
Unauthorized life form detected, commencing decontamination.
Well, uh-oh indeed.
From the shadows come the bots, clanking, whirring. One has a welding arm, another has a spinning sword. They're not friendly. Mellivora dodges a swipe, rolls under a laser. Snarls, not in fear but annoyance. Beep, beep, beep. Its beacon. The little Honeyguide drone, one wing bent, one eye flickering, is hovering near a console. Beeping like crazy. And here's the thing. Mellivora doesn't speak robot, but she understands. She charges, not at the bot, at the wall. Yes, the wall, because Mellivora has read the room.
Just watch this.
The defense system is tracking her movement, heat, sound, but not digging. She claws through a panel, sparks flicker. Her fur gets greasy. Engine oil drips down her pale mantle. She looks like a mess. A beautiful, terrifying mess.
We are
Threat
running
still
out of
active.
time!
Deploying.
Come on, override! This is it!
She rips out a bundle of wires. Blue light dies. Red light flickers. Resolution start. Outside, the sun is setting. The termites are rebuilding. But as Mellivora lumbers back toward her burrow, Beacon riding on her back. She didn't ask for a partner. She didn't want one. Beep. And yet. Sometimes the universe gives you a friend in the strangest package. If a honey badger can trust a beeping piece of scrap metal, fade out on one final beep, then the sound of digging.